Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mrinali and I am going to try famous viral cheese stick which I wanted to try from long time. So basically for this we need some corn flour. So I have taken 2 spoon of corn flour, and in 2 spoon of corn flour you need to just add 2 spoon of water, or I guess even less, because it will be good if you will use like thick slurry instead of those watery slurry. Then give it a mix, then add some chili flakes, then add some oregano, and if you have anything to add, just add on it. I have added some chaat masala, some black pepper powder, and then mix it. So now you need some breadcrumbs. So basically I was not having breadcrumbs, so I used toast. So what you have to do is you have to grind the toast and you have to use that powder for coating. Then I have added some black pepper powder and some chaat masala. This all things are optional, chaat masala and black pepper powder. I just added them for my taste so it don't feel blank. Then you have to add some chili flakes and give it a mix. So basically now we need the main ingredient, that is cheese. So you can cut the cheese into thick slices. So I am cutting them into rectangle shape and plus square shape because I was not having an idea which would be the better. So just ignore the shapes, just focus on the way I'm doing. So now just mix the corn flour slurry so there will be no lumps in it. Then you need to take your cheese cube and add it in the corn flour slurry. Just coat the corn flour slurry well on it, and then you add that cheese cube in your breadcrumbs or toast crumbs, and then coat it again properly, and same thing, same process you repeat again, because it will be better to get a crunchy coat over your this cheese, and even your cheese will not get burn. So I recommend you all to do this thing 3 times, because much you will do, it will be more easier. I was just being lazy to do that again and again, and you have to do same for the all. I saw people using chopsticks or toothpicks so that they can eat it with it. So I thought even I would like to try. So I was having some toothpicks, and seriously, it didn't work because the toothpick was not able to bear the weight of the cheese cube which I had made. And I, at the end, I ended up eating with my hands only. So it is not important to do this step, but just I'm being true and loyal. And once you are done with the toothpicks, you have to fry this thing in oil, or you can even do it in air fryer. So I did this in oil, and when I was doing it, the cheese tried to come out of the coating, and it just a kind of mess happened. But it's okay. For that, you for avoiding that, you can just do double coating or coating for 3 times, and it will be much easier. And I didn't got a cheese spool because it was not a mozzarella cheese. So if you want a cheese spool, you need to use mozzarella cheese. It will get a very good cheese spool. So it was a kind of 50-50 because it was not that flavorful as I was expecting, because obviously it was just made out of cheese. But it's something I tried and it was pleasant, and okay, it was a good snack for me. So yeah.